So the question is, what's louder? Full Cobra Sport exhaust on an ST or just a back box on my EcoBoost? Gives it a rev. Say that again for the camera.
No.
What's happened? He thinks I got oil in my turbo. Shit. Right, so today we're fitting a Airtec short shifter to Fiesta ST Mark 7.5. You nearly done yet? Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this off its ball joint, so you got to get that free. Best way to do it, get a flathead screwdriver, let's get it down there, pop it off. That's a short shifter from Airtec, which will be installed on this. So you just want to tighten all those Allen keys. You enjoying that, Link? So once you put that on, tighten all the Allen keys, you just want to get this here, which is on the original linkage. Go pop it on there, like that. And that's basically it. What a fiddle. Go on, Luke, fiddle it. Oh, there you go. Look at the beasts. The beasts? Oh, nice and clean. Oh, yeah. I love it how I bought an EcoBoost and he had to friggin' buy an ST to show his boss. Another guy.